To lubricate and adjust the drive chain on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and set the parking brake. Loosen the upper nut on the chain tensioner bracket. Also loosen the front engine mount fastener to prevent the chain from binding during adjustment. Then remove the drive chain cover fasteners. And carefully remove the cover. Press down on the middle of the chain and measure the deflection. A new chain will stretch after the vehicle is used for a period of time. To adjust, turn the lower nut clockwise in half-turn increments. Then tighten the upper nut until tight and recheck the deflection. Do not torque at this time. Follow this procedure until the chain has proper deflection. Operating the vehicle with improper rear drive chain deflection can result in severe damage to the transmission and drive components. Lubricate the drive chain with Polaris chain spray lube or an approved chain lube, and use care to avoid spraying on the brakes. Do not use a high-pressure washer or gasoline to clean the drive chain. Reinstall the drive chain cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Torque the engine mounting bolt to specification. If needed, counter-hold the nut on the other end of the bolt. Then finish by torquing the upper chain tensioner bracket nut to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.